wondering what this channel is all about, don't worry, stay tuned. Hello and welcome everyone to what I call my channel. This basically is a video just introducing myself, telling you who I have, build a relationship here, and tell you a little bit about my channel. Let me tell you what you can expect. First of all, I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all the birthday wishes, prayers, everything. Thank you all so much, and I really appreciate that. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Funmilola Adedokun. I was born and raised in Nigeria. I am married to a very humble man, and I've got 2 lovely boys. I am currently working as a nursing assistant. My channel is going to be more educative, so please leave your comment, good or bad, I don't mind. Healthy criticism is good for a person's growth. You know, my hobbies are dancing, traveling, fashion, photography, editing, you know, and social media management. My own social media management, actually. So I thought, why not put all these hobbies together? Why not start a YouTube channel? You know, I mean, it doesn't harm. There's no harm in it. So basically, why I'm getting out here is that this is gonna be a fashion and lifestyle YouTube channel. So what do you say? I will also bring you something from my own point of view. Everybody have a different perspective on what they do, how they do it, how they do their own thing, and I have my own perspective as well, and it could be different from your own perspective. I will also be bringing on people I know. It could be family, it could be friends, anybody who wants to collaborate with me. I'll be talking about small things like women, body care. I'm not here to tell anyone what to do, but you know, I'm just gonna share things, how I get things done, and you know, maybe it might help someone out there. Hope you guys continue to watch, subscribe, and share with everyone else. I am gonna be uploading videos every week. It could be Friday, Saturday, you know, depending on my schedule, because obviously I have a full-time job. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Take care of yourself. I love you all.